I think
So
so.
1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and
put that milk in first.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
But on with chef, we need the whisking skills going on with the eggs first and the sugar. Nice.
the whisker and that.
Look at the hairstyle, it just suits them.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I love it. Call this a mad chef video.
Oh my gosh, Oliver, I didn't even see that.
Okay, so we'll have some the milk in first, but it's sort of together.
Do you want us to do a cup, like get a cup out?
Yeah, do a cup at a time.
Down below the plastic cup. Oh, okay.
Because that really has to soak in the milk and cream mixture. So once Stella's buttered and jammed, she's going to cut into quarters. That way and that way.
Triangles?
No, or whatever way.
Either.
Squares, so you get a mouthful of a square like
How many?
Either or either. Thank you, Della.
No
worries.
There's the said butter and jam. Yummy.
Stop.
Paris is testing.
Now we've got cream put on it.
Yeah, we do.
Della's jam
It's like 2 more of these because this one's
amazing.
thickened.
Got the
2
corner.
more thickened in the fridge.
Oh, sorry.
Thicken's better for the pudding, so just use the loose cream.
Yeah.
In
So a
here.
cup of milk and a cup of cream.
2 cups of
2
milk.
cups of milk.
2 cups of milk and a cup of cream. I'll be getting this off you, Rose.
Okay, cool.
What's the expiry on this?
25th of July, pull it away.
Where? Did you just see it?
25th of July.
No,
Smell it.
it does. It's all about the smell. You can use it past.
fine.
Seriously,
I promise. If it's not open, melt. It
She's
does.
freaking out.
No, melt. It
It's
does.
so fine.
Honestly.
Only 7.
Like, we have to sit on a 6-hour flight.
Thank you.
I don't want any issues.
Then again.
Another one. When it's
No, I'm fine with that.
To all the viewers, use cream that's in date.
That's it. It's enough.
If you want, but
and if we need
if not, if you don't have it.
and now we have to cut
Where's the tray? Oh, okay.
Busy.
Line the tray with baking paper.
That was just my addition there, just to
very
make it a bit
good.
easier to clean.
Baking paper.
Okay, start
Saves on
adding that
dishes.
Pardon?
Saves on dishes.
Oh, indeed. Good.
I'm just trying to play into this crazy shit.
Absolutely. Bring it. Bring all of that.
No, you got to say it crazy then.
Yeah.
So the bread's been cut like this. Watch me. Down. That way.
Those quarters.
Oh, you love your hand actions, Lina. Always one for good hand actions, whether conducting or dancing.
Right, come on, because you've got to soak it.
Yeah, get out. Let's just getting the knife ready.
Okay.
Oh, she's got.
Della is coming in squares.
Little Della. She's still little Della.
Just keep the whole line
Yeah, that's
go
what
down
I'm
the
gonna-
whole row.
I'm gonna go.
I don't really want it like symmetrical squares. I want to go like
You've got disorders.
Yeah, you do. There you go.
You've got disorders.
Okay. And then you place it in the baking tray or the little squares in a flat roll.
No, you don't have to get to the plate. You can just throw them.
Okay.
throw them in.
Oh, really? Oh, but look, I've got disorders though.
Everyone's got disorders.
I've got disorders.
Can I have to teach how they're under Rose, please?
Yes.
I've got disorders. I can't know. This has to be done this way. Look, it fits perfectly. Really good. Right, raisins.
So
Crack the packet. Taste test.
You're going to do
We need the raisins open.
once that bottom layer's on, let's go with just a handful, not too many, otherwise you just toast raisins.
Well, lucky I've got a little hand.
That's quite right. Right, sprinkle, away you go.
So what are we doing now, sorry?
Sprinkling with raisins. Just a smidgen.
What, the first layer?
Yeah, do it Nigella style.
Sumptuous raisins.
Come on, come on, Nigella.
Just want to pop it in your mouth right now.
Here we go.
You might.
just went down my cleavage.
Hang on.
You guys are all wrong.
Hey, like
Sorry.
a cheeky one for me. I'm too naughty.
Stop and pour.
Okay, pour now.
You know what, Oliver? The first time I ever watched Nigella was with Oliver. He showed me Nigella. You were obsessed.
That's where they were.
Yes, he was.
I hated it in the beginning, but now I actually really like it.
I always liked cooking shows.
Stop. Is it soaking? You missed a bit in the corner. Oh, the disorders. Dilly Wooko. Disorders.
Is your house?
At least you know.
I should have done this in a jug.
Yeah, this is not really pouring reception.
My other disorder.
Yeah, get that corner like that.
She has her moments too where you walk in and everything is pristine. The only thing she has
It's just so odd.
is what I do
Gail's
with the
going to be like,
bathroom.
you put that right on there.
Yeah.
Major, and she goes, if I do it, it doesn't feel clean. She uses all the antibacterial wipes and everything over it, but until I go in there and I use vinegar, please.
Yeah, let's double team.
Oh my
Double
god.
time.
Because it was my job. Grandma made me clean the bathroom. You're obsessed with clean toilets. You're always checking. She's always checking toilets. I know her.
She goes in and disappears, comes back 2 hours later. Where have you been cleaning?
Yeah, she took an hour to clean
I'm just
mine.
checking the steam bed.
Angelique walks into the house and she's like,
Melody's
Do you think
picking
you're going to have enough? I think.
That's
We need more liquid.
right, we'll just make up another
Make up
batch.
another batch.
You don't need any more vanilla. I can tell you.
Yeah,
No, it's because she's eco.
Because you agree with that
okay.
You just do want more, Emma.
No.
no more, no.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe more.
Just a few more. Otherwise it's too raisiny. Stop.
I got the dirty afterwater from you.
Hey, there's not one on that one.
This is a cooking show about this.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
One on
I'll
each.
do it
Over here.
Yeah.
Does each piece, yeah. Oh, don't leave it. That's not nice.
Hey, this is a cooking show. Disorder.
We have one
And
for everyone.
Yeah, Ned Oliver. Oh.
Cooking with disorders.
That's much better. Just hoarding on ice cream.
Don't worry, when Oliver gets in the kitchen, he's got disorders too. He won't let anyone go in there. He'll cook all day long, a whole day. He'll cook.
Destroy it.
Okay, the last.
You're the smiling assassin.
Yeah, beware the smiling assassin.
You sit there and but your eyes haven't moved off.
No, because they didn't laugh.
See?
Stop.
Stop.
The last row goes the other way, so jam doesn't boom when it goes in the other.
Look, now there's jam
Well, it's
everywhere.
already down on the outside, so it's
Oh, we layered it. It's alright. We've got a bit of cinnamon to put on too.
Now you're going to do.
We're missing.
Where is
We're missing some. There's not quite enough.
Hey, I'm not having. We need
One
a few
slice
more.
of bread, like one
We need like one more slice, eh?
That was a fluke though. We fluked that. That wasn't bad. Actually.
That's one slice, look.
If you wanted, we could do another layer.
Now you're
It's too
going
late,
to
we've
do
already
dobs
done
of butter on the top.
Oh, yummy.
Get those dobs
Oh,
of
there we
butter
go. One
going.
slice.
Chef, dobs of butter and brown
yes.
sugar.
Okay.
And
Got the brown sugar.
we said cinnamon.
But do we?
margarine.
Butter. So that's why I'm doing dobs of butter on the top. Have you poured that last lot of?
No, there's still more liquid. Is that too toil? Yeah.
But do you think we need to make another thing?
No, I'll
Liquid.
tell you when you're finished. Most likely.
Where'd
So
you get that from?
this is called bread and butter pudding. So you're going to have the dobs of butter.
Yeah.
It's a really good dessert, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so good.
And you've always got jam and eggs, haven't you?
It's a perfect.
Last slice.
And you know, often your bread goes. You don't want it to. Bread goes stale, so it goes to waste.
You can, if you haven't got raisins, chocolate chips are nice in there too.
Oh, do you know what I saw Jamie Oliver do with it? No, it's Gordon Ramsay. He did it with croissants.
Oh, so how much brown sugar is there? Sorry, there.
As much as
Oh, no, we're just going to sprinkle it on the top.
Okay.
I'm just breaking
so it's
it up.
not too sweet.
Okie
Dot
doke.
of butter on each little square.
Drops of butter on
Thank you,
each.
Jamie. I made all of them.
You got to do it crazy.
Oliver
That's the
Jamie.
key.
Cinnamon, don't forget the cinnamon.
I've got extra butter. Should we just go on with it?
Throw it on.
Do it.
Towards the middle and then it'll disperse.
Yes.
Clearly we're not on a diet while...
Yeah, well, it's liquid, so it's for that.
Okay, it's brown sugar now? Oh,
I could
no.
I'm mostly talking about
It's alright, we're still gonna eat dinner anyway.
Oh yeah. Just leave it. No, don't put it on.
Okay.
I believe you.
Just
Be nice
go.
because you want the bread to soak.
Sleep.
No, not yet.
Oh,
Not yet.
Not
You
yet?
need the,
Last of the liquid?
yeah, all the liquid. So I
All
can-
the
Oh, is that, that's too
Whole lot.
cinnamony, eh?
No,
that's
go.
vanilla
vanilla.
paste.
That's
Yeah.
vanilla. Go.
Okay, I'm going to
I
go
want
and
a
hit that.
lot. Because every bit of bread has to be soaking and
Okay.
sumptuous.
And
We're gonna need more,
Yeah, I
eh?
think we're going to need more too. But we'll see.
moist. Nothing worse than dry bread and butter pudding.
Yeah.
It's got to be
Nothing worse
You don't want
than
dry.
Let me see.
I can see it's about there, but we need more than that, eh?
No, it's just a matter of all, because you're going to leave it now and watch it all
Oh,
soak.
we'll soak it up, won't it?
Yeah.
This one is like really.
So can I see how much liquid's at the bottom?
Della's not happy with that right there, and I agree.
Get
That's
some more.
really
Get some
dry.
milk.
I'm
Do you just
sorry.
some milk? We'll just go milk, eh?
You're
You go half
insulted.
milk, half cream, but we'll just have milk because you've already got thing. All right, where you
Put a
go.
little more cream in there and I could squizzle it up.
Yeah.
No,
Just with the
just go.
spoon.
Lena, can you use custard, or is it got to be cream and milk?
Well, the old-fashioned way is you could use anything.
Okay.
11th of August. You happy with that?
Yes,
Yeah.
go.
So then should we go right down and see what you come back with?
Well, it's really thickened, isn't it?
Is it?
No, it's like thickened cream.
Right, go. Yum.
I don't want a massive...
Yummy. Go, for yum.
Alright, this is for you, Della.
Go.
I'm going to
that one,
single
yeah.
that guy out.
Della, you point out where you're not happy with.
The trick is to leave it to soak.
She does.
This one.
Mel, what are you not happy with?
This one.
See, every disordered person.
Oh, no, it was like the
bread and
corner.
butter pudding from now on, it will be named. Renamed.
Disordered pudding.
The soda pudding.
The soda pudding.
Well, look at this one pointing.
Is it there? Is that what?
Well, what do you
Oh,
think?
yeah,
She's
yeah,
her
Oh, I
mother.
can't see that.
I've never seen
we're
so
looking
many
good now, aren't we?
Maybe
disordered people about not happy about the... Do you
This
know
is a
when I
terrible
made
way to
those?
You can't.
Really?
People gathering around the shop.
You can't. Well, you can't really have an overly moist bread and butter pudding, can you?
Yeah,
Can't
I
have it
guess.
overly moist.
Because you just cook it for longer.
Oh, that's
Yeah. Oh,
You could have it. There's nothing worse if it's dry.
Indeed.
You know what? If it
Okay,
tastes
that's-
bad,
Alright, what do you reckon,
all
Auntie?
ourselves to blame.
How's that?
I'm happy with it.
Do we put
Should
the
just dop
cinnamon
that
on
in?
now?
Look at that. I'm just
Oh,
going to
that
dop
was
that on
waiting
top.
for it to soak.
Go.
No.
So that's brown sugar coming on
Just going to put
after.
that double cream on.
Go.
Because it's a bit of liquid and it
We have a little
disperses.
bit of cinnamon first that goes into
It's all, it's all about the...
nice and light,
Oh, far
not
out.
too much, otherwise all I'm going to taste is cinnamon. Stop!
and then you're in trouble.
Oh.
That's not much.
Okay, we'll get the sugar right then.
Yeah, we'll balance it with the
Brown
sugar.
right.
Are you hand shaking? With the pressure.
Yeah.
You do. Oh, look,
I never thought a bread and pudding
quite right.
would be so...
Okay, you're giving instructions from every single disordered
Alright. Is everyone here? Who's missing?
More brown sugar.
Yeah, here,
Oh,
and there.
definitely
Okay.
more brown sugar.
Alright, let's go double up. You can handle this half and then,
Alright, okay.
then we have a
Hello,
jurisdiction
darling.
each to worry about.
Yeah,
Don't
I'm
be
just worried
stalling.
about the fingers directly in the brown
where's the
sugar.
chocolate?
That's why I put it on the spoon.
I'm a chef, so I
Yeah,
just
he's
go
a
straight
chef.
in.
It's alright, his hands are always clean.
And if they're not, you just say they are.
Well, let me just wipe my nose quickly.
Where's Susie?
Bushman's blow.
And did Susie go with Della?
I think, are we happy with the sugar?
I reckon they'll stand fine.
It's just, you know, you get your own spin on it. That's the first time I've ever seen it made and I'm really happy because I don't think I'm doing that.
Are we going to sign off on that?
Do you think it's kind of foolproof though? Because
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's the whole idea, right? It's rustic cooking.
But the caliber
Listen,
of it is
remember
different.
back in the day, we just had bread and butter and milk in it. Nothing
Yeah, and I
else.
bet that was delicious, right?
Because we never had jam
this is
or
something
anything.
you'd find I think in your that cooking while camping book.
Oh, I'm
I
not-
know, isn't it? The prettiest thing ever.
Brown sugar.
Oh, okay, I've wet my hand now.
Everybody's doing it. Everyone's making it. Bread and butter pudding.
Where am I going?
Bread pudding.
Everywhere. Wow. That's,
Just get the container and, you know.
Lock it.
I don't need, that'll be enough. Just a spoonful each.
what do you think, Auntie?
Spoonful each piece of bread.
We've got ice cream as well.
Can I have a feeling all of you guys are sweet toothers.
No, definitely not.
You're not?
No.
But you want to have a nice sort of crunchy on the top of it.
Alright,
don't you?
okay. Here we go. I'm going to stop fooling around then. Let's get serious.
Oh, this is
Get it. Just make it brown.
Not too brown because it'll be too sweet. Well, here comes other Miss Disorder here.
Yeah, I like that way that's looking.
Okay, so don't put it in yet. Now we leave it, cover it, put it, no, don't even
I'm
cover it.
definitely eating.
Just put it aside to soak.
Oh, you're my daughter. Good girl. You support your mother.
Kiss us.
Yeah.
Tell it. When did that ever happen?
Now we just put it aside and let it soak.
I'm having this corner.
Oh, you have it then.
What corner?
The dry corner.
The good corner. That's what it
Soak.
is.
Well
Let
done.
it soak.
Okay. In the hot oven.
Yes, not yet
That
though.
was really stressful.
So it's got to.
I am tempted, and I know that I shouldn't, but I'm tempted to like push it down to say, but you don't touch it, right?
No.
You just don't touch it.
Let go, Melody. Let go.
I just have to
Let it go.